guys, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing as well as we can and enjoying the hot weather still, although it was quite warm earlier. I don't know, I hope it's cool enough to sleep because it's night time now and it's almost ready for my bedtime. But before, I thought I just had to record a video because it's my friend's birthday today and I put on quite a lot of makeup and I thought, isn't it a shame if no one else gets to see it? So I might as well share it with you guys by recording a video. Is that really terrible and vain of me? Or is it just like making the most of it, you know? No point just putting it all on again tomorrow and nobody gets to see it tonight, right? Or something like that anyway. So I have got another subscription for you and it's linked to Pink Parcel. So it's kind of my subscription of the week. Is it? Well, maybe. We'll see. It might be a subscription of the week. You've seen the picture, you've seen the title, you know what we're here for. Birchbox. I decided to use this cover just because this is what it normally looks like, although, sorry the light's glaring on it, this is what it normally looks like, although, like Pink Parcel, Birchbox is also teamed up with Processions and they are also doing it in the colours of the suffragettes. If you haven't seen that video, I'll just put a card up here somewhere and you can watch that Pink Parcel video, but don't forget to finish this one first or come back or do something, as long as you watch them all. So anyway, this is a very nice cover, but I'm going to just drop it on the floor. So if you want to find out what is inside this month's Birchbox and if it's any good, you know what you need to do. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and I'd love it if you could share this video. Alright, let's get into it. Birchbox is very similar to Pink Parcel, but it's aimed at teenagers. So you can choose different size period stuff like pads, tampons, but the pads and things are age defined, so you can choose like 12 to 13, 14 to 15, I think 10 and 11, so that you can get stuff that is the right size for your daughter, for your niece, for yourself, for whatever. So, or if you're a smaller woman, in fact, you may need that kind of thing, because you know our bodies are not the same shape at 11 or 12 we might start our periods as they are when we're 20 or 30 or whatever. So I thought I would just try this out. I got this on an offer for $6.95 and I thought, you know what, this being a special month, it might have extra goodies in it. So I thought I'll get it. So because it's aimed at younger ladies, everything is a lot more bright and colourful. You can see all the boxes here. We have got a lovely bag which has got pads in it. I think I just chose pads for this one. Yeah. And we have got for later and we've got night. I'm donating these all to my local church. Well, I say my local church, kind of my church, a bit my church, mostly my mum's church really. And they are enjoying having these things donated. So if you ever have spare period products, please donate them to a food bank or local church or charity, because there are definitely some young girls, medium girls, some women who are having to go without period products and using things like extra toilet paper, socks, and that would just be awful. It's not fun really having a period at any time of the month, but having to stuff your pants with toilet paper, I mean, I've had to do that in the past, you know, when you get caught short, but imagine having to do that your whole period and constantly worry if you're leaking and smelling and stuff. Oh, it's just not nice at all. So yeah, if you are able to donate into your food bank or churches or other organisations that are collecting things like this, please do, because somebody out there might really appreciate it. You can choose to have this delivered whenever you want. It's normally $12.95 and this is what we all care about. Again, just like Pink Parcel, we have a box of goodies. So let's open it up. This is the teenage sort of cover. And they're like, go big on girl power. You've learned about the suffragettes. Now it's time to check out Betty.me, M-E, to meet more awesome women fighting for equal rights. It says, welcome to your Processions Birchbox. Never heard of Processions? Don't fret. We're about to give you a quick history lesson. 2018 marks the 100-year anniversary of women's right to vote. Back in the 20th century, this brave bunch of women called the suffragettes fought so girls like us were allowed to have a say in how the country was run. Processions is celebrating those kick-ass sisters with a series of marches in the UK in which supporters will rock the rebellious group's iconic colours, green, white and violet. We're showing our gratitude by using their signature shades too. Plus, all the products in this month's Betty Box, worth over £35, are here to make you feel just as empowered as they did. Shall we look inside the box? Ah! I caught it! Are you proud of me? Because, you know, I always drop things. I hope that you kind of saw that. As always, with Pink Parcel, you get a tea bag and something to eat. So let's do that first, because that's probably my least exciting bit. Yo-yo, Escape the Ordinary, Yerba Zing Organic, yerba made with grapefruit and rosehip. I had this one before, I've had stuff from this brand before, but I'm not sure if I've had this. It's organic. It looks like this. How do you say that? Yo-yo? Need some extra energy for all the women's rights lessons you're having right now? This stimulating hot drink blend of citrus and yerba mate will boost your brain power in no time. Where's the eats? Okay, we have 2 of these. Had these before from Cocoba, and they're quite nice. They're just little squares of chocolate. There's 2 of these. Got PMS cravings? Treat yourself to these delicious orange milk chocolate squares. They've got a creamy melt in your mouth texture and will make you feel approximately 100% better. And the price says it's exclusive. I did have a little look just after, when I was just doing something a minute ago, and I couldn't find just orange milk chocolate on the site. I can find orange peel chocolate and crunchy orange chocolate, but not this one. So maybe it's that exclusive. I don't know. But I like milk chocolate and I like orange milk chocolate, so that's okay. Right. This I've also had one of before in the other Pink Parcel or somewhere else. And this is Green Frog Botanic Natural Body Wash, relaxing geranium and peppermint, Ayurvedic skincare with revitalising organic aloe vera, plant-based using organic soap berries sourced from the Himalayas. Posh, eh? Well, I think so. I think if you're going to go to the Himalayas just to get berries, then that's effort. And it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's palm oil-free, no parabens, no SLS, no ALS, it's dermatologically tested, so it's basically as good as it can get. Wake up and shake up your skincare. Work this amazing mix of aloe vera, calming geranium and cooling peppermint oil into your skin for a deep cleanse every morning. Oh, you can really smell the peppermint. I'm always happy to have body wash. I like it. This is definitely going in my giveaway box. I just don't know if I'm cool enough to handle it, to be honest. Look at that shiny, shiny, shiny silver nail polish. So this is from Maggie Ann, which is someone I've never heard of. This is a full-size product, which is awesome. It says, treat those hard-working nails to a fancy metallic mani. You receive bronze gold or super shiny silver polish that's not only pretty, but 100% cruelty-free, so you can join the celebrations in style. That's nice. Excellent. Like our Pink Parcel, we have got these bands and they have got the equality signs. They're in the colours of the suffragettes. They've got the women's symbol there, and these are what they call bandsies. So these are the kind of bands that don't make kinks in your hair when you put them in, and they're supposed to not get tangled. So I like them. I've been using them and they are quite handy for me. I appreciate them. Celebrate the suffragettes with these special edition hairbands that come in green, white and violet. They're covered in cool, empowering symbols and won't damage your locks. Right. Then we have this, which I have never seen before. Scent Republic Scent Stick. A mood-related scent captured in a clever little scent stick. Rock that frock. Work with your girl power with sweet vanilla, mandarin and rich praline. Fabulous and flamboyant. Own it. Not tests on animals. Made in the UK. Gonna have to get this out of the box. Looks like a big felt tip pen. Right. So I didn't really show you the packaging, did I? No, not really. So this is the box. Oh, it's quite pretty. I think I would have appreciated this quite a lot when I was younger. I mean, I still appreciate it now, but you know, more so. It literally is like a felt tip pen. Oh, it smells lovely though. I don't know if you can see it. It's just like a yellow nib. Want a new scent that will make you feel all kinds of kick-ass? Take on whatever stands in your way with this sweet vanilla, mandarin and rich praline stick. It's about to become your coolest perfume weapon yet. So you just rub it on? I'm kind of blown away. I have never seen a scent in a stick, in a pen like this. I mean, I guess it kind of makes sense. Why not? It's completely clear, like you can't see it. Does smell really nice. Kind of reminds me of suntan lotion. I think it's, you know what it reminds me of? The Mercy Handy Hello Sunshine. Their whole range smells the same, the Hello Sunshine one, and it's kind of like, reminds you of suntan lotion a bit, but the good bit of suntan lotion reminds you of holidays, beaches, that kind of thing. Yeah, not exactly the same, but similar. This is cool. I like it. So our last item is this from the Beauty Crop, and it's Fabulous Flocking Lashes, nourished with argan oil and jojoba waterproof mascara. Oh, I had to drop something, didn't I? Obviously. Every video. And I don't know why I think it's weird that it comes in a tube, but I do. It's quite a nice brush. I don't know if it's my favourite style of brush, but that's okay because this is my second one of this, so this is going in the giveaway. But it does say in here that it's supposed to be from the Beauty Crop, but it's supposed to be a Wing Woman liquid eyeliner made with licorice, blackberry and argan oil. I mean, this has got argan oil and jojoba in it, so you're not going to miss out too much. And this is actually worth £15 and the other one's worth £12. So if you get this instead, you're probably lucky. This is kind of weird, so I guess the wrong product slipped in. Is it the end of the world? Probably not. Do I mind? Not really. Yeah, I've had loads of eyeliners recently anyway, so to be honest, this is more needed. But like I say, it's going to go in my pile. And I don't know if you saw any of my pictures on Instagram, but I was sorting out my beauty stuff, and I have got like a box this big, and I've already got 2 boxes made up ready to post out for a giveaway once this current giveaway is finished. If you want to see about that giveaway, head to my last video because there's a little blush that's up for giveaway until the 21st, and after that I'll be doing another one as well. So don't worry, plenty of stuff coming your way. But yeah, this is nice. What is our total box value? Well, it's $39.95. That's not including the chocolate, and that's not including the pads. So I think that is pretty awesome. What do you think? I think that this is a great value box. I like the items. I'm so impressed with that scent stick thing. That's very cool. And it's given me a couple more things to put in my giveaway, which is awesome. And I think that if I was younger, I would have loved this. I mean, I can get Pink Parcel every month as well. And it's kind of tempting to get both because they're both good value boxes. What do you think? Would you like to see the Betty Box every month? If you would like me to continue with Betty Box, let me know down below. Otherwise, it will be a one-off, or maybe I'll just pick it up now and again. But otherwise, that is my subscription for you, and I think it's really good. If you have a younger lady in your life that is in need of these products, then maybe let her have a look at it. There are things that you can get the box for half price, like I did, and yeah, it's a good introduction, and it's a good way to build up your beauty kit as well. Like, I mean, imagine getting this for $12.99, including your period stuff and being able to build up your beauty stuff. So if you're a parent and you're like, oh my goodness, they keep asking me for money and going off to Superdrug and Boots and wherever, well, you know, just get them this and say, there you go, this is for you. This is your monthly treat for your monthly torment. I know it's not torment for everyone, but for a lot of people it is. Right, that's it. I'm going to stop rambling now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye, guys.